might already have read it in the news, but venture capital investment has been dropping drastically in Q3 in Europe as well as in the US, especially for early stage companies. What does that mean? Well, it means that companies do not have the money anymore to hire a large amount of sales teams doing manual data research, manual emailing, and manual phone calling. Okay, those times are over and startups need a more cost efficient way to grow their business, and building an outbound engine might just be the right thing for them. My name is Joel Kept. I'm the CEO of Real Growth Hacking and the former head of growth at Beekeeper. And in this video series, I'm going to teach you how you can create such a high scale outbound engine yourself. Outbound emailing is the process where you send targeted emails towards your ideal customer profile, knowing exactly their needs and offering them a valuable solution to it. The engine part is doing that at scale, meaning being able to send several thousands of emails at high quality, low bounce rate, and creating sustainable results of around 5 to 10% meeting booking rate. Now, if you do that in small scale, that might be easy, but doing that at the large scale, that creates several different challenges. I've been creating such an engine back in the days already at Beekeeper, where in the first 9 months we realized over $500,000 in new ARR out of this. Since there, I've replicated this engine at several different companies, going from large scale-ups to startups and even to small pre-seed companies. What are the 4 major pitfalls? First, too much manual work. So the times where you do manual data research is long over. There are alternatives to that with tools such as Hunter.io, Phantom Buster, or Interseller, and many more. Those tools are a good start, but if you try to scale this, also then actually the limit is visible very, very quickly. It's just too much manual work putting together lists of target leads, scraping that information all manually. This process just breaks if you want to scale it, and you need to a solution that completely avoids that. Pitfall number 2, fastly exhausted resources. So there are very cool databases such as ZoomInfo, Discover.org, Cognism, or Lucia that have millions of records of B2B leads. However, if you're going to drill down in a specific ideal customer profile of yours, such as construction companies in Switzerland, then even those databases run out of data very, very quickly, and the amount of valuable data to you is actually very small. Pitfall number 3, data chaos and duplication. So if you start working with databases and lead gen tools, then already after working with it for 2 months or sending 5 or 6 campaigns, you realize that you are retargeting the same companies and the same leads over and over again. That creates a huge chaos, and if you reach that point, then everything is frozen. So in your solution, you need to have a process which is deeply integrated with your CRM to ensure and avoid any kind of duplication and really work on fresh data and exactly know what kind of contacts and companies have you already targeted. Pitfall number 4, getting banned and blocked. Okay, if you rely on emails provided from those databases or those lead gen tools, you might end up having bounce rates of 10% or even higher. And if you do that at scale, then your email domain will be blocked, which will make it completely incapable for you to even reach out to your existing clients, which of course is a complete disaster. By now, you realize that there is actually a big need to design an entire engine to make this process work. An engine which is completely automated and does that at high quality at scale. And if you're interested in that, join our exclusive Outbound Masterclass on the 29th of November, where we're actually going to share a ton of free value in how to build such an outbound process. There are only 20 seats available, so apply quickly to join the ranks. If you're interested in the tools and the tactics I mentioned in this video, then just add a comment in the LinkedIn post with resource list, and we're going to send you through a list with all those tools. And stay tuned for the next video where I'm actually already dive into the first part of how to design such a process.